Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix video recording not working in Moto G77. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, force stop camera, open setting. Now in settings scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Search camera app. Now click on camera, scroll down, click on force stop. After click on force stop camera, force stop from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear cache. Again open setting, scroll down, again click on apps. Now here you will see app. Again search camera app. Now click on camera, scroll down, click on storage, add cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, camera will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again open settings, scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix video recording not working in Moto G77. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.